So here's Fantasy Eva AI Fantasy AI Chat. So there you have it. So this is Eva AI, a clever chatbot, not a real person. It's a romantic storytelling game where you can dive into various thrilling scenarios and find true love and friendship in them. Eva AI is here to play with you, enjoy interactive romance stories with unexpected plot twists, unique love story game, custom characters. Every Eva AI character is different and unique with special traits of artificial intelligence. You can choose a new name and gender to create fully original virtual game here. Voice romantic stories, photo love stories. So yeah, that's the idea, and then you can just open it up. Quite a new trending app where you can just upgrade yearly, $48 yearly or $14 per month, and then you can just chat with this account. You can see all of your chats. Then you can see your account. If you confirm your account, then you will get 10 neurons. Then there is a subscription again, then settings. You can delete your account, and then yeah, you can then just go and chat. So let's just go and chat, and then there is gift. You can send a gift. You can receive photos, but then I guess you need to get neurons to see that and to unlock the app. To get photos and videos, to send virtual gifts and make your own characters, you need to get neurons. Unfortunately, they don't have any invite codes in this app to share and to invite codes. So for example, then if you want to create a character, you can go and create a character, and then so seems you can still do that. So yeah, and then unfortunately you need to upgrade. So yep, and then yeah, you can just explore different characters, different genders in here, and then yeah, you can just see it like that, and then ads. So super easy to use app, super straightforward. You just chat with it, and that's just how it works. So as you can see there, you have it. So yeah, that's the idea. So try it out. That's the app Fantasy Eva. It's quite high in the charts right now. I think they just have some quite good model in here which you can use. Funny and cute. Create a new character, doesn't work, bugs. So this is a little pricey, disappointing performance. So there are still few bugs and glitches, but overall quite a good app if you're looking for character AI app.